What is the area of ABCD? Label points E, F, G, and H. Join G, H. It is a perpendicular line. Let angle C, D, F equals beta, line C, F equals Y and line C, E equals X. It implies that triangle ECF is congruent to triangle GHE. This implies that EC equals G, H equals X and C, F equals H, E which equals Y. Since C, F equals B, F, it implies that B, F equals Y. Thus, D, H equals C, D minus C, H which equals Y minus X. Thus, D, H equals Y minus X. Let angle D equals beta, but triangle FDC is similar to triangle GDH. It is side angle side. This implies that y divided by 2 times y equals half, which equals x divided by y minus x, that is equals to sine beta. Cross multiply. Y minus x equals 2 times x. Thus, y equals 3 times x. Y equals 3 times x, we call it equation 1. From 45 degrees, right triangle GEF. Area equals the product of line GE and line FE. All divided by 2, which equals to 10. Since GE equals FE, it implies that area of triangle GEF equals the square of GE divided by 2, which equals 10. Cross multiply and we have that GE equals to 4 times 5. Take the square root of the equation. We have that GE equals the product of 2 and the square root of 5. This implies that consider triangle CFE. Since y equals 3 times x from equation 1, use Pythagoras theorem. This implies that the square of EF equals the sum of the square of x, the square of y, and the square of 3 times x, which equals 10 times the square of x. Substitute values and we have result to be equals to 20. Since GE equals EF for 45 degrees right triangle GEF, it signify that divide the equation by 10. Thus, the square of x equals 20 divided by 10, which equals to 2. We call it equation 2. And from equation 1, y equals 3 times x. Multiply the equation 1 by 2. 2 times y equals the product of 2 and 3 times x equals 6 times x, which equals BC. The length of the square ABCD. Then, square the equation as shown. It implies that the product of 4 and the square of y equals the product of 36 and the square of x, which equals the square of BC. Since the square of x equals 2, this is from equation 2. This implies that the product of 36 and the square of x equals 72 squared units after substitution of value of x and simplification of result. Therefore, the area of square ABCD equals 72 squared units.